Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an item from your Office Depot online cart. If you don't have an Office Depot account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a cart icon on the upper right corner of this page. Click on the cart icon. Then the list of items on your cart will appear. To remove an item, click on the remove icon beside the item you wish to remove. Now you will see that your cart is empty. That's how you remove an item from your Office Depot online cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.